Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to contact Hostinger support. Alright, so let's begin with the video. If you are using Hostinger and need help with your hosting, domain, or website, contacting their support is quite simple. So, in order to contact Hostinger support, you have to follow these steps. First, the most direct way is through live chat. Log into your Hostinger account, and from the dashboard, click on the chat bubble in the bottom right corner. This will connect you with a customer success agent. Hostinger does not offer traditional phone support, so live chat is their primary channel for quick help. The agents usually respond within a few minutes and can assist with technical issues, billing, and account problems. Second, Hostinger has a comprehensive knowledge base filled with guides, tutorials, and troubleshooting articles. You can access it by going to support.hostinger.com. It covers common problems like setting up WordPress, connecting domains, fixing SSL issues, and configuring emails. In many cases, you may find the solution there without needing to contact support directly. Overall, Hostinger support is easy to access but relies heavily on live chat and written communication instead of phone calls. And that's it. So that is how you can contact Hostinger support. So that's all for this video. Thanks.